Now I'm going to demonstrate one of the special features of this car. It has park assist, so it actually can park the car for you. I'm extremely nervous, but I'm excited to find out. Let's see. So I'm currently in a car park. All you have to do is go to the screen and click on park assist. And this is a car park that would best suit perpendicular. So we've selected on there, and then you go to your home screen here on the dash to find out the prompts. So you have to slowly go around the car park for it to find a space. So there we go, space found. It's asking me to drive forward. Okay, so it's found a space for me, so I need to drive forward a bit. Right. So I'll keep my hands up here. So now I need to put it into reverse. Select R and wait. Okay, so now the car is taking over control. As you can see, it's got the rear view camera there to assist. And wait. Always take precautions and look around and keep your foot on the brake just to slow the car down a bit if you need to. Select D. It's asking me to go forward now. Still no hands on the wheel. It really is a nervy thing, but you do have full trust in the Range Rover to do this for you. Just follow the prompts. This is really nerve-wracking. I have full confidence in the car. I do. But it's just so peculiar, and it kind of shows you where the motor industry is going. It's kind of like you're not going to be driving anymore. Which is a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. But wow. Just keep an eye, and there we go. Perfect. The car parked itself. I'm really impressed.